Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Lenovo Tab M10, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We have to get this application, LED Keyboard Lightning Mechanical Keyboard RG from the ASIC Studio. And if you finish download, just open, click enable. As you can see, this application doesn't support the rotate screen, so you have to flex your neck a little bit. Tap on the switcher, tap OK 2 times, then just go back, click select and switch to our LED keyboard. And right now we are in the settings of the keyboard, and here we got the themes that we can set up, and I'm going to show you my favorite, unlimited. Scroll, tap to save the keyboard, and right now we can enter the messages and check how it looks. So as you can see, right now we got our LED keyboard on the Lenovo tablet. And that's how we can apply it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.